Hey you guys, welcome back to the Swine Backyard Barbecue, where in today's video we're going to talk about something very exciting. The fact that I now have proof of concept that we can use our Weber Performer as a gas grill that now actually opens up a can of worms. New options and new ways of utilizing this Performer that's been on the market for God knows how long, right? It's been a while, the gas ignition. So what's exciting to me is that I can now utilize that heat source, that clean heat source of that ignition system to finally use this bad boy right here, which some of you guys know what this is already and some of you guys don't. This is the Hunsaker Griddle accessory for the kettle, 22-inch kettle. We're gonna clean this up and I'm gonna make me a little breakfast out here at my convenience. I'm gonna shut down that gas when I don't need it and I'm gonna use it when I want to, and that's what's exciting. All right, you guys, first stage of this cleaning this griddle is over. I take a stainless steel pad and I use Dawn soap on the pad and I just scrub it. And you scrub it until the suds are no longer brown and gold or whatever, no longer rusty color. Once the suds come back white, the way soap is, then you know you've got the rust off. You're gonna have to continue rinsing it, keep on scrubbing it, and so on and so forth. And this is what I use. Bam. Now, it's time to season it, and you need to put it in an oven to cure it, to set it, and guess what I'll be using as the oven? Yeah, that's right. All right, on one side of this griddle, you're gonna have some warping where it's gonna concave, and it's gonna be kind of like a wok, I guess. So you can figure out which side you want to utilize for your cooking. So I like the dip so that I can keep oil in the center and put food out here to the side if I want to. And if you notice, I put a grate upside down on the top grate so that these holes now have a barrier between the food and anything that wants to drop down. So that solves that problem with food going through these holes right here. And then you can still pick it up if you need to. All right.